It's been a while since I have committed a crime. All I have an idea. I will steal army helicopter and destroy many cars with it. All I have to do is steal a car and go to the airport, take the helicopter and head towards the military airport. I have taken the yacht and head towards the airport, but why the police is after me? Police sir, please leave me. I have taken the police car. Yes, now I can escape. Will he survive or not? 1. Yes. 2. Yes. 3. Absolutely yes. 4. No. Congratulations, he didn't survive. And bye. Part 2 coming soon.